Latest on the extortion charges probe in Aryan Khan case. For the second day in a row, witness and whistleblower Prabhakar Sahil has been called for questioning by the NCB vigilance team, which is currently stationed in Mumbai. Let me go across to my colleague Radhika, who's been tracking this. Radhika, so yesterday we saw that he had in fact been questioned for several hours, over 10 hours at least. Today also, he's been called in for questioning. What are you gathering from your sources in the vigilance team?
That's right. Prabhakar Sahil is being questioned by the NCB vigilance team for the second time. Yesterday, he was questioned for close to 10 hours. And today, once again, looks like he's going to be questioned for several hours. Now, Prabhakar Sahil, as we know, is one of the crucial links in this case because he is the complainant in this case. And it is based on his allegations that this entire vigilance team itself was formed. Therefore, his evidence, the evidence that he provides, the statements that he provides is very crucial to establish this extortion, the alleged extortion bid. Now, as far as what has been found, some of the narratives as far as Prabhakar Sahil is concerned speaks of the alleged meeting that took place between Gosavi, Sam D'Souza and Dadlani as well. The places where these meetings took place is something that is being probed. How many times did they meet and what kind of money exchange happened is something that is being established by the NCB vigilance team. Now, yesterday they even took Prabhakar Sahil to all these places that had been told by him, be it the places where the alleged extortion took place, be it the place where the calls between witnesses and the Dadlani took place. All those places were inspected by the NCB vigilance team. So currently it is trying to find links. It is trying to connect the dots as far as this extortion bid is concerned, because we know for a fact that no direct links between no direct links with the NCB's officials being part of an extortion, bid has been established so far. Of course, it is found that yes, there have been witnesses who were part of, this extortion bid, and there had been talks that had taken place between the witnesses as well as Dadlani. That is something that is being established by the NCB vigilance team, and which is why this questioning is taking place, because he's one of the prime witnesses and the complainant in this case.
Right, the vigilance team, of course, trying to ensure that they can, come to a conclusion on these allegations, very serious allegations which have been leveled with regard to the Aryan Khan case. And as Radhika there was rightly pointing out, that it all originated from Prabhakar Sahil, so he's an important witness to examine. Radhika, thank you so much for joining us with that.